Imagine if you could start making $9 online every 60 seconds. Would you still prefer to work for anybody else? I'm sure you wouldn't. That's why I'm here to share with you proven online money-making strategies that can turn your financial situation around within seconds. This income opportunity doesn't require any investment, no affiliate marketing, no social media following or engagement, and it doesn't require any YouTube videos. But before I share this unique strategy with you guys, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide. Do you want to learn more about earning money online? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. 5squid.com is the platform that I'll be sharing with you guys today. 5squid is a freelance platform similar to Fiverr.com. The differences between the latter and the former is the currency. Fiverr pays you in dollars, while 5squid pays you in pounds. This site is used by people to buy, sell, and request services for a specified price. As you scroll through the website, you'll notice that a variety of people offer a range of services. But you won't be creating any films, graphic, or content to use this strategy because I want it to be as simple as possible for you so that I can help you earn money online quickly. With this done-for-you strategy, you'll be able to make money with just a few clicks of a button. Going back to 5squid, I'd like you to click on these 3 lines which are located next to the search bar. Here you'll discover a variety of categories where you can earn money. But today, I'm going to show you a new keyword that has never been discussed before, and it's called your message on. This is a brand new keyword offered by 5squid where you can make money without doing any effort. After clicking on your message on, you'll get a list of services from across the world. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now I'll show you an example from the service provider that you may trust. To proceed, click the service right here to be redirected to this page where you can see the service provider's profile as well as the service that he or she wishes to deliver. Most of these companies will pay up to this amount, but after deducting the processing fee, you should be able to take home a reasonable sum. Let's go to heatymeal.com and search for these keywords. You will be able to market your service under the Your Message On category on this website. You will now see Einstein's chalkboard right here. You'll be able to change and edit what's written on the chalkboard using this platform, and that's what you'll sell on 5squid. Let me show you how to do it with an example. As you can see, the large box with the text below the words Dynamic Einstein Picture may now be modified and changed to whatever you wish. Let's say I type in, "My channel is great, subscribe right now." After you're done typing that, click this button to update the image, and you're done! It was able to change what was written on the board in a matter of seconds. Now that was done for you, no hassle service, and you can sell the service at 5squid by just changing or editing the words to suit the customer's needs. People overlook this service since it is so simple to implement, but as you can see, your message on services are in high demand and are selling extremely well. This is a fantastic chance for beginners because once again, no technical creativity or skills are required. Simply use the HeatyMeal platform and change the wording to suit your client's needs. To save the altered photo, simply look for the snipping tool on your computer, snip the image and save it. For phone users, simply take a snapshot of the image and send it to your computer. Fiverr is similar to 5squid in that it allows users to sell services to people who are looking for them. I'd like you to look for Einstein Your Message On in this section. As you can see, just a few people have attempted to market this service, despite the fact that a large number of people enjoy it and use it. As a result, you should provide the service to both of these sites in order to maximize your earning potential. Now is the time to take the bull by the horns and implement everything you've learned in this video. So go ahead and take action today! But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.